A bit of a disclaimer before we start this video. My editing software decided to flip out and actually flip half my video upside down. So I tried to do it out, but it did not work. So midway through this video, I will flip upside down for about a split second. Just want to apologize in advance. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dominic, and as you can tell, it's the Christmas season, which means I get to wear my handy dandy Santa hat and display my Christmas tree lights all over the ceiling. Anywho, today we're going to tackle one of Earth's greatest questions. Why don't typewriters have one keys? For instance, this magical typewriter right here, this Smith Corona Skywriter typewriter, lacks one key. It has all the other ones except for one key. And so does many other typewriters. And today we're going to find out why. The first major reason is that typewriters like this Smith Corona and this Underwood cost a lot to produce, it being a sophisticated machine with lots of little tiny metal bits and bobbins. So to reduce cost, manufacturers began to just drop off any unnecessary keys. You'll find out why the one key is unnecessary, and sometimes also the zero key, although I haven't really seen it often. But first we have to go into reason number 2, which is to reduce the sheer complexity of the typewriter. You see, this is what a typewriter typically looks like. A whole skedaddle of levers and gears and springs and levers and stuff, all of which are necessary for the typewriter to function. And yet, this whole thing is compact down to a very small area, about the size of a Game Boy Color, making room very valuable. And to make more room for the whole multitude of little levers and stuff, they drop out unnecessary things, like the one key, for instance, or that little lever thing that changes the way the ribbon goes. This typewriter also doesn't have that. Alright, you're saying, makes sense, but how? How do you type one? And how do you type its alternate, the exclamation point? Let's say you're writing the date, which for me would be the 12th of December 2017, the time I'm recording this video. So let's start with the 12, and this is how you type 1. And from there you just type the rest. Nice and simple. But how about the exclamation point? Bit more complicated. It's whatever you might call that, the shift thing for the 8. Backspace, and then a period. Mind blown, I know. And there you have it, why typewriters don't have one keys. I do hope you've enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you so wish to, you can subscribe, or like, or comment below. But until next time, have a very Merry Christmas.